It's time to take a look at March's Gin of the Month box, inspired by the great outdoors. Look at this bottle. This is Shivering Mountain Gin Early Harvest Edition. Our tonic water this month comes in these super jazzy bottles. Check them out. The blueberries in this garnish are going to turn your G&T pink. Very cool. Our cocktail of the month is called the Ramble, and we are going to be mixing that with the Tame and Wild Damson and Rosehip. It's a classic flavour combo, sea salt and cider vinegar from Real Crisps. These are going to be perfect in a martini. Ooh, this is my favourite, Flower and White salted caramel. We're getting this flavour or the chocolate crunch flavour in your box. And finally, we have Ginned magazine. This month we have nature-inspired recipes and a roundup of the best rambles in the UK. Ooh, can't wait. I hope you enjoy this month's box.